How to send large videos on Messenger. Hi everyone, I'm Hatsu60. Today without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Messenger, and if you are not able to send the large video, open YouTube. Click on the plus icon at the bottom. Select the large video you want to send. Press on next. Press on next. Then caption. And before you post, make sure visibility is unlisted. If you make it unlisted, anyone with the link can view. Without the link, no one will be able to view. So make sure it's unlisted and upload short at the bottom. Now, wait for it to upload. After it's uploaded, simply click on the video and press on share. On the right side, press on copy link. Then go to Messenger and send the link. And only with this link that person will be able to view. This is how to send large videos in Messenger. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.